So you try and line the pot up right with the level of the water, so there's just enough to get in, but they can't get out. Is that? So just the edge open like that.
You can just set it down.
Yeah.
About this.
So but the water level is gonna be about here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Full up and then everybody starts race up then itself and jump down in it.
Okay.
It will make one get wet today.
Yeah.
If you make one.
If we make the knife, them all get wet.
Yeah. So you gotta be really.
If I go so, I go so, I go so.
Ah, I like it back. So if you make one get wet, problem.
Ratty,
Yeah.
who showed you how to fish? Who taught you?
John kiss fish. Mama kiss fish for me.
Your mom too?
Mama.
Oh,
Mama.
I didn't know she was into fishing. Whoa! That was a good ninja roll.
Good answer, y'all.
Is that the pot we're gonna use?
Mm-hmm.
If you make one get wet today, something happen, you lose pan the river bed again.
If you go so, and so, you go so. Lock it so. You lock it so. And if you same, and then do it so. And then do it so. Throw the water.
And you have to be really quiet, you said, Ratty? You gotta be careful about noise. You're excited for fishing.
I like can't catch fish alone. Like
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, come.
Jump.
Jump.
Hey. Oi. What got that?
Come, man. Set it, my boss.
Mm-hmm. Let's do it.
Hold on, we'll draw, you know. Come out of the water, man. Yo, the fish then now, I'll come up.
Come out of the water?
Yeah, man. Come on, come. Alright, Mokko.
That easy.
Yeah, man.
How long does it take usually?
Them a come up, them a come up. Sit in there.
I walk in the streets of my hometown.
You wanna kill? You know what? Ow!
Go and go shut it. Yo,
Yo,
go and go shut it.
you just went in? So did
Come
you?
out of the water. Can't work it out sometime. I'm a run with the fish them, man.
Koopy, you saw some go in already? Did you see them go in?
They want to run with them, man.
Ratty ran them away?
Yo, oh, Greg, man.
Nothing? Shit, I guess not.
man, come on. Yeah. Left it.
So let's all step out of here and then makes it better. All right, let's back up. Okay. So we were all running around with the camera making too much noise maybe that time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we'll just let it sit for a while. Any luck? Huh? No? Yeah? One. Better than nothing. Let's see the reveal. Oh! Two! There we go.
I'm more on them.
I'm gonna try, but if I get one, if I let one away.
I'm done with it for the day, man.
Yeah, we got some.
Come on, come.
Yeah.
Come. Come, come on. Oh, come on.
Right here.
No, man, I'm going to jump out. Come up, that's the man.
Right here?
Yeah.
I heard some jump. Can you hear the tinging in the pan, in the pot?
Open the pot, man.
Ah!
Whoa.
3, 4. Ah! They're really good at escaping. They're really good at escaping. Yeah! Nice one.
Wicked.
All right. Well, we didn't get as many as Koopy did first try, but we got something.
I didn't catch him, man.
Yeah. We got some.
More to catch.
Yeah, I got it like that now, I got it.
Are you impressed or what?
Yeah,